second graders, Miss Diorio here from Citizenship Academy with your next math lesson. For this one, you're definitely going to want something to write on, something to write with. We're going to do an application problem together that you're going to have to do some work on your own with, and I want you to make a place value chart today. So go grab those things, come back when you're ready, and we'll get started. All right. So we're on lesson 13 today, crazy. Today we're going to be working with place value discs again. I'm going to be showing you place value discs and you're going to have to tell me the number, which means we're going to be counting by hundreds, tens, and ones, just like we've been doing. We're going to go all the way up to 1,000 today. Don't stress, you got this. All right, let's start by counting 100 more, 100 less. If this might be a little bit difficult for you, what you can do on your paper right away is make a place value chart. So, for example, if I give you the number like 534, you can write 534 on your place value chart and look at it. Now, if I ask you for the number that it's 100 less, which value is going to change? Your hundreds, tens, or ones? Your hundreds. Very good. So 100 less would mean this 100 goes down a unit, goes down 100. So 1 less than 5 is 4. So that turns into 434. Now if I ask you for 100 more than 534, what unit is going to change? Good, just your hundreds, and we're going to go up. So we're going to add another 100 and get to 634. That was a sloppy 6. So you can do it that way. Or if you just want to do it off the top of your head, be my guest, whatever makes sense for you. If you're going to use the place value chart, make sure you pause the video so that you know, so you have time to work it out, okay? So I'll snap my fingers, you tell me the value. Pause the video if you want to use the chart. All right, here we go. 100 more than 70. Pause if you want to work it out, otherwise tell me. 170, very good. 100 more than 200. Pause the video or tell me. 300, very good. 100 more than 480. 480. Pause the video or tell me. 580, very good. 100 more than 900. Don't get tricked. Think about what we did in the last lesson, moving up. When we get to a certain value, we move up. 100 more than 900 is 1,000, very good. 100 more than 652. Remember, pause if you want to work it out, or tell me. 752, awesome. 100 more than 338. Pause, or tell me. 438, awesome job. Now we're going to do 100 less, okay? So 100 less than 70. Take 100 away. We get 70, very good. 100 less than 500. Pause the video, work it out, or tell me. 400, awesome. 100 less than 321. Pause the video, or tell me. 221, awesome. 100 less than 400. Remember, only working in the hundreds place. We take 100 away from 400, we get 300, awesome. 100 less than 900. 800, good, you're getting good. 100 less than 500 is 400, awesome job. Okay, this time I'm going to say a number. You don't need your whiteboard paper pencil for this one. You're going to tell me how many tens are in that number. You don't need to tell me the ones, you're just going to tell me how many tens. So for example, if I say 14 ones, you're going to say 110. Don't need to tell me the extra ones, just tell me the tens. We're just going to practice decomposing, getting our tens out of numbers. All right, here we go. If I give you 20 ones, how many tens can you make? 2 tens, very good, because we have 10, 20, 10, 20, 2 tens. 28 ones, just tell me how many tens we can pull out. Just 2 tens, right? Because we don't have enough to get to that next 10. Just 2 tens, 10, 20, and then we have those extra ones. Very good. 64 ones, how many tens? 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6 tens, and extra ones. 99 ones, how many tens can we pull out? 9 tenths, very good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 9 tenths. All right, now I'm going to say a number, and you're going to tell me how many hundreds are in this number. Same idea as with the ones to the tens, now we're doing tens to hundreds. So if I say 15 tens, how many hundreds are in that number? 100. Think about 15 as hundreds and tens. Okay, so that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. 15 tens is 150. 100 we can pull out. Okay, so let's try this. If I give you 29 tens, how many hundreds can you pull out? Take a minute, pause the video, work through that. You can count on your fingers, you can draw a picture, you can think of it as the same as ones to tens. We're pulling out hundreds though. So pause the video, figure it out, come back and we'll go over it. Ready? So in 29 tens, there are 2 hundreds. Okay, so if we write 29 on our place value chart, 29 tens would look like this on our place value chart. We can move the 2 over and we get 2 hundreds. Or you could have counted on your fingers, or you could have drawn a picture. Any of those strategies work. All right, let's try this one. How many hundreds are in 78 tens? Pause the video and work through that. Come back when you're ready. How many hundreds? Got it? 7 hundreds. You should be noticing a pattern similar to the transferring the ones to tens, pulling out those tens. Same thing when we pull hundreds out of large groups of tens. It's going to be that first number, and we're going to turn it into 100 because the leftovers are the tens. All right, moving on. Get your paper and pencil ready. We're going to do a word problem. Here we go. Sarah's mom bought 4 boxes of crackers. Each box had 3 smaller packs of 10. How many crackers were in the box? I'm going to read that one more time. Don't solve yet. Sarah's mom bought 4 boxes of crackers. Each box had 3 smaller packs of 10. How many crackers were in the box? Okay, let's go over it first. How many boxes are there? 4. Very good. What is inside each box? Good. 3 packs of 10 crackers. Kind of think in your head how many crackers that might be. Are we solving for number of boxes she has or crackers? Number of crackers. Yeah, we're solving for crackers. So I want you to pause the video and talk with someone at home about how you could solve this problem, and then go ahead and try it. Talk through it first, figure out how you might solve it, and then try it out, and then come back when you're ready, and we'll go over it. Ready? Okay, so in each box are 3 packs of 10 crackers. I know 3 packs of 10, I can go 10, 20, 30. So each box is going to have 30 crackers in it. So then from there, I'm going to draw 4 boxes with 30 crackers in them because I know there's 4 boxes. So here are my 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to add what I know. 30 and 30 is 60, and then 30 and 30 is 60. So I'm going to add 60 and 60, and I get to 120. So how many crackers does she have? 120 crackers in 4 boxes. Thumbs up if you got that. Nice work. All right. Okay, this is where you're going to need to draw on your paper either one big one or a bunch of little ones, a place value chart. You need tens, hundreds, and ones. Go ahead and pause the video and draw one big place value chart or a bunch of little place value charts, whatever's easier for your brain. You're going to be writing numbers that I show you. Okay, get your place value charts ready. I'm going to show you place value discs. While I'm popping them up on the screen, count silently in your head. Count up to the number that I'm showing you. Once I finish, I want you to write the number in your place value chart. I want you to write the number that I show you with the place value discs in your place value chart. So we'll do the first one together, and then I'll have you do the rest on your own. So here's my place value chart. I'm going to put place value discs in it. While I do that, I want you to count silently in your head. This one I'm going to count out loud so you know how to do it. So we're going to count 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 321, 322, 322. Okay, so in your place value chart, I should see 322. Sound good? Just like that. Now for this next one, I'm not going to count out loud. I'm just going to put the place value discs on the board. Okay, so you're going to count by hundreds, tens, and ones to get to the value that I am showing you. And you're going to write it in your place value chart. Ready? Let's go. Count silently in your head. I gave you a little sneak peek. What number is this? Pause the video if you need to. Come back when you're ready. Write what number it is in your place value chart. Got it? 103. Awesome. All right. Try this one. Count silently in your head as I put the discs on my board. Here we go. Write the number in your place value chart. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. You got it? You should have 281 in your place value chart. 2 hundreds, 8 tens, 1 1. 281. Got it? Let's keep going. Here we go. Next one. Count silently in your head. Go ahead and write it on your place value chart. Unpause when you're ready. Got it? We have 129. 100, 2 tens, 9 ones. Awesome. Let's try the next one. Count silently in your head. I thought there were ones. Go ahead and write that number on your place value chart. Got it? Should have 710. 700s, 10, 110, 110, 0 ones. All right, next one. Ready? Here we go. Count silently in your head. Write that number on your place value, pause the video, come back when you're ready for the answer. Got it? Should have 807. 800s, 7 ones. All right, here we go. Pause the video, write this number down on your place value chart. Got it? 564. 564. Awesome job. Okay, so for your exit ticket today, on your Google form, you're going to see a chart just like we just did in our lesson, and you're going to tell me what the number is in standard form. So you're just going to write the number. So you're going to count your tens and ones or count your hundreds, tens and ones, just like we just did, and you're going to write the number in. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72, Type it in.